In this tutorial, I will show you how to draw this cute carrot using only two colors. You will get the color palette and a PDF file includes the refined sketch. Now let's get started. On a new layer, I will grab the orange color and my sleek ink brush to draw the first sketch. Here I'm just drawing the carrot according to the reference, and as you see I just started immediately with the orange color. Now I'm drawing a thicker line because I'm gonna drag and drop the color inside the carrot. Here I'm just filling the gaps. Now I'll create a new layer, set it underneath the carrot layer, and I will choose the darker tone of orange just to complete drawing the carrot. Here I'm choosing the green color just to draw the leaves, and as you see I'm just starting with drawing those shaky lines, and I'm adding a few tiny lines as leaves for the carrot. Finally, I'll use the selection tool to resize the carrot and make it ready to the next step, which is adding shadows. For adding shadows, I'll create a new layer above all the layers, turning on clipping mask, and I'll set it to multiply mode. Here I'm using my sleek ink brush, but I will make the size smaller, and I will choose the orange color I used before for coloring the carrot to add shadows. As you can see, I'm just drawing an outline for the carrot because I want to give it a depth. Here I'm adding few lines as extra details and according to the reference also. Now I will lower the brush opacity and I will start adding extra texture to the carrot using the same color. To add more texture here, try using different brush opacity levels. As you can see, I'm just trying to make the brush size and opacity different because that creates a nice texture to the drawing. Once I'm done, I go to the layer, lower the opacity because that makes the shadows look more natural. Here I'm creating a new layer, set it to color burn because I'm gonna add more texture to the drawing. I'm still using my sleek ink brush, and the orange color I used to color the carrot before just to add extra texture. Once I'm done, I lower the layer opacity again. Here I will repeat the same process for the top of the carrot. I'll just add extra texture for this spot of my character and to the leaf also. Instead of using a lot of different colors, I like to work with the same base color and switch between different blending modes to build depth and texture. I also vary the brush opacity to create a nice change to the character, which helps the shadows feel softer, richer, and more natural. This keeps the colors consistent while giving the character more dimension without making the process too complicated. Take your time with this part, even small adjustments can make a big difference. If you'd like, I can make another tutorial where I explain my shading process and the blending modes I use in more details. If you are already familiar with this technique, feel free to skip ahead to the next step where we will start adding the highlights. But before, make sure to check out my tutorials where I'm sharing how I add shadows and highlights to my characters. I've talked a lot about this, and I think it would be helpful if you check it out. For adding highlights, I will create a new layer above all those layers, set it to screen mode, and I'll start adding highlights using the same color I used to color the carrots. Here I'm using my sleek ink brush, and as I did before, I will try to change the brush's size and opacity to get the result I want. Once I'm done, I will add highlights to the leaves here, and as you see, I just pick the green color to highlight this part of my character. Finally, I lower the layer opacity to make the highlights look natural. For adding the details, I've created a new layer above all the layers, and I picked the darker tone of orange, and as you can see, I drew the eyes and mouth. Here I picked the white color to add those cute tiny dots to the eyes, and cheeks with a darker tone of orange. Here I'm just adding few lines as an extra details to the character just to make it cuter. And now I'm just drawing outline to the carrot, and this step is optional, but I like always to add extra details to the character because I think it makes it look nicer and cuter. Finally, I'll add those lines and I will draw two cute hearts. And that's it. Hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you draw this, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. See you. Bye bye.